Hi, I'm Connie and today we're going to learn to play Jesu, Joy of Man's Desiring. We're going to learn to use both hands. It's going to go back and forth with both hands. Let me just show you where our hands are going to go. Right up here, find the two black keys and put your thumb at the bottom of the two black keys. That's on C, D, E. Now every time we play F, it's actually going to be an F sharp. Then your pinky's on G. So if you just rest your fingers on those keys, that's where the right hand stays for the whole song. And left hand is just going to come in next door. Here's C. Here's the left hand starting on B. There's an F sharp and an E. These are the notes that we're going to play. There will be one time where the left hand pinky has to move down one note and play one note lower. But other than that, we're going to stay right here. I'm going to play a couple of measures, a little section, and then I'm going to say stop. And when I say stop, that's where you stop the video and you go back and you practice that. You'll probably need to play that little section about 10 times so you can get it really, really easy. Then come back to the video and play on. So every time I say stop, it's a time for you to stop and go practice. You can rewind the video and watch, make sure you're getting it right. Here we go. We're going to start right here in the left hand on this G. Okay, stop. Okay, coming back, you should already know this part. Okay, now we're going to just hit this key again. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was a lot. Stop. Okay. Here's where we ended. Let's see. We just came down. That's the last note. Now we're going to have to play this F sharp, F sharp. And here's where the left hand reaches down, pinky, but you come right back to where you were. Okay. Again, it's the stop. Okay, ready to move on? We just went down into that pinky. Now here's the new part. If you notice, that's like the very first part that you learned. So stop here, play all that you know, and then come back. Okay, here's that new part that we just repeated from the beginning. And guess what? This part kind of repeats too. Until here it gets a little different. So, B. Oh, here's a reach down again. And that's the end. So stop there, rewind the video, and practice. Congratulations.